Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing some unboxing. I got some free makeup, I got some subscription, and something that I've just not recently ordered because I ordered it like 3 weeks ago and it finally got here. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Rose. I hope you guys stick around and join my family and subscribe. And if you guys want to see what kind of new goodies I have, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so since I have this in my hand, first thing that came in today, and this is what I was talking about, they came in like today, that it's like 3 weeks, it's the P. Louise base. This thing has been trending on Instagram, but I got it. I got my hands on it, and I got the shade Rumor 1, and yeah, I just can't wait to I can't wait. I cannot wait to freaking try this. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen the 2 subscriptions that I did get, but I know not everyone follows me on Instagram, but you should. I'll link it down here below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I always post things there majority of the time. Like, I live on Instagram, so if you guys want exclusives, you know, before I put things on YouTube, then Instagram is definitely where you need to go. So I got my subscription from FaceTory. If you don't know what FaceTory is, it is a subscription for masks, and these are pretty much all Korean. I believe it's all Korean masks. So I got 4, and I believe it's $7.99, but with tax it comes out, is it? Yeah, and with tax I believe it's like $8.90. So I got 4 masks here. I got the 4 mask one. There is another one where you can get 7. I believe that was $15, but I got 4 instead. So let's go off the list. The first one is the Beauty Chuck I'm Real Gira Mask Rose. This one is, it says, keep your skin beautiful and dewy just like a fresh bouquet of roses as we bring you another hydrating rose mask. This mask will make you want to go out and smell the fresh air. So this is what it looks like. I'm sorry if, like, maybe I should move everything this way. Alright, so I got this one, and then the next one was this, it's called rice mask. It says a rice mask is just what you need for a quick pick-me-up after a long day out. Its long list of benefits will surely work to keep your skin in its best shape possible. So I can't wait to try that. Then I have the Skin Planet Daily Fresh Garden Mask Sheet, the pomegranate one. It says pomegranate is known to be a popular and effective ingredient to promote the overall health of your skin and body. Who doesn't love a multifunctional ingredient like this? Who doesn't? I know I do. So yeah, that's that one. And then the last one is iikonn. I think that's how you pronounce it. iikonn Jeju Green Tea Intensive Whitening Face Mask. It says, have a relaxing, healthy tea party with the girls as you chat it up. Drink green tea and sheet mask. This mask uses natural ingredients from the island of Jeju. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. Let me know. Let me know down below if you guys, you know how to pronounce it. But yeah, Jeju, to make sure your skin is brighter and well nourished. So yeah, those are the masks that I have, and then it gives you like another card with showing you the 3 steps of how to properly do a sheet mask. So that's that. And then if you guys don't already know, I love this subscription. This is like my fave subscription ever. This one and BoxyCharm. I always do BoxyCharm alone because I always do like a try-on video with that one. And these 2 literally always come after BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is the one that I always get first. So this month I got 3 brushes. It says Happily Ever After. Then I have a coupon code here, save 10% on all Morphe products. You can use the code IDO2018 at checkout. Alright, so the first mask is the R35 Deluxe Blender Brush. This is what it looks like. It's still in the packaging. So it's just your, your blending brush. Then we got the R1 Deluxe Pointed Powder Brush. This is what it looks like. And then we got the Deluxe Highlight Fan Brush, which is the R12. This is what it looks like here. I love Morphe brushes, so this is a cool way for me to get, a lot of Morphe brushes only for 20 bucks a month. So, if you're not subscribed to this, definitely recommend. Definitely recommend. Alright, and then the last one, this is definitely going to be a short video. Thank God, because I've been doing some long videos lately. Alright guys, so the last one is not a subscription box. This here is kind of how I get free makeup, and this is through Influencer. And I don't only, can you please? I don't only get makeup in this box. It's very, how can I say, like, you never know what you're really gonna get. This time I wasn't even expecting a box because I haven't gotten a box from them in such a long time, and it's just because I know I haven't been very active on Influencer. But since I've been a lot more active, and I'm trying to be a lot more active on all of my social platforms, I actually got a box. So this one I believe is for like moms. Hey, move the camera. It's for like moms. And if you don't know what Influencer is a place where you pretty much go on there, you do reviews on products that you've tried. If you want to know like information or what people think about certain products that you may want to try, that's definitely a really cool place where you can go. And what they do is they will send you a survey when they have Vox boxes. That's what this is called, a Vox box. They have surveys for you to fill out, and if you do qualify for them, then if you qualify, they'll pick you and they'll send you over a box. If you don't, it's cool because they kind of send out surveys as they come in. So I do remember getting a survey, and it was asking me questions like, do you have a child? How old is your child? Do you have a pet? And stuff like that. Now, I don't have a pet, but they still put a pet item in this box. But it was kind of like a mom box, I would say. So this box is called the Cherish Box box. This is what it looks like. The first thing that is on the list is from Bark Box, and this retails for 10 to 18 bucks. Now, this is a dog toy, and I don't have a pet. I mean, I want to get a dog for my son, but I don't have a pet yet. So I'm actually going to give this to my cousin who actually has a dog. I'm going to give this to her because I know that Cookie will love it. So I got that. The next thing is Mott's Juice, and they gave me the apple raspberry one. This retails for $3.49 for a 6-pack. And this is cool because my son actually loves Mott's juices. His favorite is the apple juice. That's the one that he always gets. So this is pretty cool that he, got one. And actually, Liam, you can have this. Some juice. So I was pretty excited that they got something like that because he can take it to school, or I can just have it in the car whenever we are going out on the road and stuff. The next thing is from Vera Wang. It's their Embrace fragrance. This one is in French lavender and tuberose, and this retails for 30 bucks, but they only sent like a little sample size, which is cool. And this fragrance does smell really good. When I opened the box, that's the first thing that I smelled was the fragrance. So this is pretty cool, and I mean 30 bucks for perfume, that's not bad because nowadays perfumes Perfumes be expensive, you guys. Like, really, really expensive. Then we got the Dove Men in Care. This is the Stain Defense Cool Antiperspirant Deodorant Dry Spray. This retails for $5.99. This is what it looks like here. This, I believe, you can get like Walgreens, Walmart, Target, any of your drugstores. You can probably find this. So this is pretty cool, and I actually gave this to my brother. I just said, let me borrow it for this video, you know. So yeah, I gave this to him, and he's been using it. He actually likes it, so that's pretty cool. And then the last thing is from Pantene Pro V, and this is the Moisture Renewal Foam Conditioner. This is what it looks like here. And it's so funny because when I got the box, I kind of had it sitting on the bed, and I had it open, and my son got a hold of it, took the top off, and sprayed it. So I use it on his hair. I haven't used it on my hair as of yet, but I did use it on his hair, and it did, like, it smelled so freaking good. His hair so soft and everything, so I can't wait to actually try this on my hair. But that is everything that I got. So yeah, if you kind of want to like try to get, you know, free beauty products, free skincare, free lifestyle, whatever like that, free health stuff, influencer is definitely a great way to get those free products, because they kind of just pretty much, you do the survey, if you qualify, they send it to you. I've seen people receive boxes from a whole bunch, like boxes full with Maybelline stuff, filled with Laura Mercier stuff, just with all kind of brands. Like, you know, if they were just someone who just loved health, they sent them, you know, goodies and snacks, you know, that were vegan or cruelty-free, cruelty-free, what the heck, gluten-free. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. I do like it. I do enjoy it. And then once you get your box, you check it in, and then they ask you to do all of these little things. You have like little badges, and you can complete the badges. When you complete the badges, it actually gives you a higher chance for them to send you another survey for a box, or another box, just, you know, send it. So that's pretty much everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like to see me do other unboxes, if you like to see me do unboxing videos, then just let me know down below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I promise that I'll bring you a makeup tutorial for the next video, or a review or something that I know that you guys really do enjoy. So yeah, that's it. Enough rambling. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Thank you for stopping by. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thank you, everybody, for calling me adorable and cute. Say thank you.
Thank you.